When our customers are happy, we are happy. And when they write us to tell us why they're so excited, we get excited to share it. They were so impressed about the great customer service they received that they went online and left this review. After reading this, our staff was really excited about the great job we've done. It makes us happy when our customers are happy. We strive to provide the best service around, and we pride ourselves in providing the best customer service there is. We take pride in our 5-star service rating. We're very loyal to our customers, and in return, we have incredibly loyal customers. See, and you'll be amazed. Simply call the number on your screen if we can help you. We look forward to serving you. Thanks for watching.